As is well known, the skin is the largest organ owned by humans. Skin is an important organ because it serves to protect the inside of the body from the outside world, such as viruses, bacteria, and regulate temperature changes. There are several types of skin diseases. Some problems that occur in the skin include swelling, itching, redness, and burning sensation. Problems that occur in the skin are mild and harmless, but some are danger signs that can be life-threatening. Various types of skin diseases. Skin diseases are often found from the sufferer's own faults, such as poor health or not paying attention to skin conditions. The following are the types of skin diseases that often occur. 1. Boil furuncle. Boils are skin infections in the form of red bumps and can enlarge. Boils can grow on all sides of the body, but boils are more commonly found in moist parts of the body, such as the groin, buttocks, neck, armpits, and head. Boils are caused by an infection of Staphylococcus aureus bacteria on the skin that passes through the hair follicles, oil glands, sweat glands, then causes local infections. Factors that increase the risk of developing boils include poor hygiene, infected wounds, weakening of diabetes, cosmetics that clog pores, and the use of chemicals. To avoid boils, maintain personal hygiene and the environment, and consume balanced nutrition. 2. Scabies. Scabies is a skin disease caused by a mite parasite, Sarcops scabii varhominis. People who contract scurvy usually live in slums and do not protect their cleanliness. Signs of scabies are intense itching at night, especially between the toes, hands, under the armpits, genitals, waist, and so on. Scabies is very easy to transmit to other people. 3. Eczema dermatitis. The main signs felt by patients with eczema skin disease are excessive itching of the skin coupled with red, scaly, and cracked skin until small bubbles arise which contain water or pus. Hands, feet, thighs, and ears are the sides of the body that are very at risk for eczema. Eczema is caused by allergies to stimulation of specific chemicals such as detergents, soaps, medicines, and cosmetics. While sensitivity to specific food types such as shrimp, sea fish, eggs, chicken meat, alcohol, vitamins MSG, and so on. Eczema can also be caused by plant pollen allergies, dust, climate, to emotional problems. Eczema often attacks people with allergic tendencies. 4. Ringworm. Ringworm is caused by fungi. An easily recognizable symptom is scaly circles, white, moist, and itchy spots. Urinary skin disease arises due to lack of skin hygiene. Body parts that are often attacked by ringworm are the neck, and scalp. 5. Melanoma. Melanoma is a dangerous skin cancer that can cause death if left untreated. Melanoma is very risky if it appears on the neck or scalp. Melanoma shows a dangerous sign when the mole on the skin gets bigger, changes color, and shows symptoms of inflammation. 6. Herpes. This type of herpes skin disease often infects adults. The sign of the emergence of this disease is the presence of an uneven and small rash that eventually blisters. The impact felt by the sufferer is pain and itching and makes the skin more sensitive. The area of the skin that is often affected is moist body areas such as the groin, buttocks, or other body parts. 7. Acne. This is a type of skin disease that is quite popular because around 80% of people have experienced this. Acne is caused due to problems in the skin oil glands. For information, the pores are connected to the gland by the canal called the follicle. When the follicle of the skin gland is blocked, acne develops. 8. Psoriasis. Psoriasis is a skin disease that is difficult to diagnose. The body parts that are usually affected by eczema are usually the same as the body parts affected by psoriasis. Scalp, lower back, palms, and soles of the feet are some parts of the body that are prone to psoriasis. Stress, trauma, and low calcium levels can also cause psoriasis. Signs of psoriasis are the appearance of red patches and on top of it are multi-layered white scales. When scratched, the scales can fall out. Although initially the surface area of the affected skin is small, psoriasis can be widened if not treated immediately. Treatment of skin diseases. Treatment for skin diseases will be done if you have received a diagnosis of the cause. If the skin problem is caused by a fungus, it can be treated with topical medications containing metronidazole or clotrimazole. But if the skin disorder is very broad, the sufferer should take the drugs taken, such as grisophilvin, terbinafine, or ketoconazole. These medicines can only be taken as directed and under the supervision of a doctor. Meanwhile, if the skin fungus is caused by a low immune system such as HIV or diabetes whose blood sugar is not controlled, the cause of low body resistance must be treated first to support the healing of fungal skin infections. Here are some additional tips for controlling and treating skin diseases. 1. Garlic. The antibacterial and antibiotic properties of garlic play a role in the healing process of fungal infections of the skin. To overcome the fungus on the skin with garlic, you can smooth some of the garlic suing, then mix with olive oil. Next, apply, rinse, and don't forget to dry. Or, you can consume garlic as a treatment from the body. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains benefits that can kill fungi and protect the skin from fungal infections. Use extra virgin to deal with this fungus problem. Apply natural coconut oil to the moldy part of the skin. Repeat several times a week until the fungus is completely gone. 3. Plain yogurt. The content of probiotics on plain yogurt can prevent mold growth on the skin. To treat it, apply plain yogurt using cotton to the surface of the affected skin. Let stand for half an hour, then rinse with warm water and dry. 4. Apple vinegar. Apple vinegar has antimicrobial properties. This makes apple vinegar effective against fungi that can cause infection. The acidic properties of apple cider vinegar are also good to help prevent the spread of infection and restore infection quickly. How? You can drink water mixed with apple vinegar or rub it on areas of the body that are overgrown with fungi. To note, some skin disease problems as described above will not be overcome if you only rely on drugs. You also have to control a number of other risk factors that cause skin problems.